Hi folks. I was always wondering why is one of my videos getting a lot of hits. DJI flashing red light. And now I figured out why. Probably you guys are going to that video because of the Mavic Mini. And that video was for my Phantom 4K. So most likely you are updating your firmware on the Mavic Mini and you got to a point where it finished the update but it just sat there. So you might have either closed that menu or turned off your Mavic Mini, which means that it wasn't fully updated. So what happens is you get a flashing red light. So what you need to do is just give it time. If you turned off your Mavic Mini and turned it back on, you're still going to have a flashing red light. So turn it on and give it time. It has to update both the settings in the controller and in the Mavic Mini and for the battery also. And it takes time, especially if the server that it's accessing is busy. So I'm just making this quick video. I broke down and bought a Mavic Mini because I crashed my 4K, and because of the pandemic it's difficult to find someone to fix it, and I tried to fix it but I'm having trouble with a module, so I haven't located the module that I need. So I broke down and purchased a Mavic Mini temporarily. So I'm just waiting for the update to finish. Now it was flashing red and now it is flashing green. And here's what I'm going to do. Let's see. I'm going to check the firmware update again. See what's going. I just want to see what's going on. So it says server error, wait a moment and try again. So I'm just waiting. I'm waiting, but at least it's not flashing red, it's flashing green. So I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to come back to it and let you know the quick update or what you might need to do to update the firmware on a Mavic Mini. I think they've had a couple of updates. But for the latest one here, last time I updated it I didn't run into this issue, but for some reason I'm running into this issue. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so here's the message I got. Battery firmware updated successfully, or successful. Aircraft powered off automatically. So I got that. So it's updated and it should be flashing green, which it is. So the Mavic Mini is updated, and this is just an update video because I was wondering why I was getting so many hits on one of my videos. That's for the Phantom 4K. This is for the Mavic Mini if you run into the issue. If you have turned off your Mavic Mini and it's not operating, turn it back on and just wait. And of course you have to turn on your controller and go into the app. And then you can check. What I went into was settings, or profile, and then settings. So you go into profile settings and then you can check for your firmware. And yeah, alright, have a good day guys. Also what I want to say, I'm going to back out a second. Come on. Hello. So let me back out because I want to go back in. I want to show you guys something. There we go. So once you open up your app, go to your profile, go to your settings, and also check for FlySafe database updates. Hit that and it'll tell you your firmware is up to date. That's a good thing to check also. So I checked my firmware updates, I updated it. Once again, it's green, And I also checked for the database updates also. That's under your profile settings. That's under your profile settings. Under your profile, and then go to settings. So yeah. Alright, have a good day, guys.